Runway 246 All Star, runway 30 RVR is more than 6,000, wind 340 at 10, fly runway heading, runway 30, clear to takeoff.
Runway heading 246.
Runway 246, turn right, heading 340, and contact Potomac departure.
340, and contacting Potomac departure.
Heading Tower Silver.
Tower, mayday, friendly 3,
Scans for 1 center. Air Shuttle 6025, stand by 1, friendly 246, say again. Friendly 246.
We're landing on the street down here.
46 All Star.
246 on the ground.
Friendly 246, you say you're on the ground?
We are off the ground, we just landed.
Friendly 246, understand you're on the ground. We are dispatching emergency services to your location now.
Hold on. Okay, so let's evacuate the aircraft.
Friendly 246, are you saying that you're evacuating the aircraft?
Okay, ground friendly 246. The runways across from Wendy's and Aldi's.
Friendly 246, roger, understand across from the Wendy's and the Aldi.
Affirmative, all passengers and pilots are alive and well, no injuries.
Friendly 246, that's great news, thanks for sharing. How many passengers are on board?
We have 5 passengers and we had 1,100 pounds of fuel, no fire, no problem.
5 passengers, 1,100 pounds of fuel, and how many crew?
2 crew.
7 total, 1,100 pounds of fuel, thank you. Air Shuttle 6025, runway 1 center, clear to land 1340 at 12.
Clear to land 1 center, Shuttle 6025, great job, friendly.
Airport Op Tower. Op 7, that's correct. It's a Cessna 208, about a mile and a half off the end of runway 30. That's correct, that's what the pilot just reported. It's friendly 246, do not have a tail number. 7 souls on board, 1,100 pounds of fuel, they've reported no fire. Red 338 Delta Tower. Red 338, roger. Red 338, pilot reported that they landed across from the Wendy's in Aldi, approximately a mile and a half west of the departure end of runway 30. Affirmative.